Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Star Wars The Mandalorian Crochet Kit that I got from Amazon. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I actually got this a while back on my birthday. It was a request to hubby about, I saw this kit. I was all about doing the amigurumi crochet kits, and I was just finding random ones on Amazon, and this came up and I thought it was the cutest thing. Comment below, click that like button if you've seen The Mandalorian. I have. I love it. I think it's cute. And of course, we all know Grogu. Grogu just makes the movie as well as The Mandalorian. So I'm excited to unbox this. This is what the box looks like. Includes materials to make The Mandalorian and Grogu and his floating pram. Is that what that's called? That's kind of cute. This is a booklet of the instructions. It looks like it's gonna come with the instructions to make all these characters. Mandalorian, Grogu, Osaka, I think is her name. Is this supposed to be? I don't know. And then this is the female Mandalorian. I forgot her name. Yeah, I know. I'm not good with names. But this is going to be so cute. Let's look at the back side. Includes patterns for 12 characters. Wow, from the seasons 1 and 2 of Mandalorian. This is the way to crochet. Is it? We'll find out. 12. Create 12 characters from the Mandalorian. Stitch up Mando, Grogu, and all of his friends and foes they meet on their adventures. Make Ahsoka, okay, Tano, Kuil, IG-11, Moff Gideon. Oh, Moff Gideon, that's who he is. He's the guy that was on Breaking Bad. The Woolly, Mudhorn, and more. The Mandalorian Crochet includes a step-by-step instruction book that guides you through all 12 patterns along with materials to make the Mandalorian and Grogu in his floating pram, 10 colors of yarn, embroidery floss, a crochet hook, stuffing, safety eyes, and yarn needle. And they don't say that embroidery floss does not, there's no way it's going to be able to make all 12 characters. You're just going to have to get your own embroidery floss after a while. But anyway, okay, so it says here $25 US or 34 Canadian. It's not called dollars. It's like, it's a duck, right? Like a Luna or something, loony. I don't know. I could be completely wrong about that. It's been a while. I have family in Canada, but I haven't been there in a very long time. I used to drive there for fun. But anyway, let's open this up. Oh no, I don't have my scissors with me. Oh no, I have a scissor. Hold on. Okay. I have not opened this up yet, guys, so I'm really excited to see what's... Ooh. Not to mess up my camera, but what's in here? It just never fails. I always hit my camera. Okay. And just in case you're wondering, just because I'm unboxing, I'm not done with the flower crochet kit yet. I am working it. It's just right now I'm confined to this space. So I happen to have this box here, so I'm going to open it while I film. You always want to make your time productive. Okay, so here are the yarns, and of course, like I said, it's not going to have, or is it, everything you need to make every single character. Like this blue, for sure, is not going to be enough to make this lady right here. So, I don't know. Got this. Oh, and it, you know, it feels a little rough and tumble. So I don't know if you're gonna like that, especially if you want to give. Ooh, this one's soft though. If you, oh, this one's rough. Rough. If you want to give it to a kid afterwards, I always keep that in mind. So if it comes with any chokeable hazards, I'll end up like just, you know, finding something else to create that. As you see, these guys come with eyes. And they do have some here. Oh, they taped it. They're like, you don't want this sucker to move. So it comes with some eyes. I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to sew it. And this is embroidery. More, did I call this embroidery floss? This is yarn. This is embroidery floss. But good thing I have my own in case I run out. So I put this box filler here. They should just put more yarn in it. How about that? Like, why don't you give just enough yarn to make every character? And then it might be worth the, you're paying for the instructions. You're paying for the brand. You know, it's Star Wars. I mean, the brand name company. Oh, it's Disney. Oh, this is by Disney. Yeah, so you're really paying for the brand. This is made to order by Disney. Obviously, it's made somewhere else, and they worked with another publishing company, but they have their Disney logo on it, and they wouldn't do that without approval. So that's where the money's going. It should be going to fill this box with all the yarn you need, because at the end of the day, the dollar store kit, you know, at the Dollar Tree, you can get nicer yarn for cheap. So it's like, where are you putting this money? And then this box here, because I've had these, the Marvel box, and it's the same. Like, all this filler for what? You could have put it on a smaller box and made it look less. Oh, there's more. More color yarn and stuffing. I hope the stuffing is just they could have vacuum sealed this like the other companies do. But it feels hefty, so there might be a lot in here. You get your hook. 3.5 millimeter. I'm going to put this back. And then we're going to look at the book. Front cover. Let me smell it. I like smelling new things. It smells nice. You know what I mean? Anyway. Alright, so this is a very hefty book. It's nice. In terms of keeping open while you're crocheting, nightmare. But anyway. Got your table of contents, so there's some legit stuff in here, and then here you have all your credited peoples. Okay. About this kit. Okay, it's everything to make the Mandalorian, Grogu, and Pram. So you can only make number 1 and number 2 with this stuff, which is weird because there's no blue. This kit contains the materials you will need to make project number 1 and project number 2. Then why include blue? That's weird. You see any blue on these guys? I don't. Okay. And then tools and materials talks about all this stuff. Okay. It doesn't even come with a stitch marker, does it? Did I miss it? I didn't see no stitch marker. A stitch marker is, and maybe it's telling you what you need. Because there's no stitch marker. It's like that safety pin. For those that don't know what a stitch marker is, it's the safety pin, and I'm gonna open every compartment again and see if it's in here, but there is no yep, there's no safety pin, so you have to provide your own stitch marker. And if you don't want to spend any more money than the $25, you can always cut whatever different color yarn and use that as the marker. You slip it through the stitch instead of the safety pin, and I can, when I do these, I can show you how I do that. Abbreviations, they're pretty universal. Okay. I don't know what a bobble stitch is. They'll probably explain that. Unless they mean bubble stitch. Bobble stitch, we'll find out. Hopefully they'll give us more than just the abbreviation. Wait. Techniques and terminology. Slip knot, yarn over. That's good. They explain what these things are. Let's see, working into the chain, working into the stitch. Back loop only, front loop only, slip stitch, crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, increasing and decreasing. Okay, increasing, decreasing, single crochet, two together, invisible, decreasing. Oh, fasten off. Fasten off's always good. They never explain that in any of the kits that I, except for one. Rows, rounds, starting the first round. This is very descriptive. I mean, I'm not reading into it, but the fact that they have it on here is great. This is the first I've seen. You know, the other recent kits that I've opened that were not Dollar Tree ones, they do leave the QRC for you to go on YouTube, but this is great that they actually put it in the book, because not everybody's going to be YouTubing. Starting the first round, adjusting the ring, adjustable ring. Oh wow, it tells you how to make the adjustable ring. An alternate way to start the first round. Interesting. Let me see. Right side, wrong side. See, I always explain that, and it's not stated anywhere. But I'm all about the right side, wrong side. Tension. They even have tension in here. I talk about that all in my videos in the beginning to, like, you know, work out so that every stitch is the same. Anyway, changing yarn colors. I'll read this one because I have my own way. It's very OCD-ish. Let's see, when changing from one color yarn to another, work up to the change until there are 2 loops left on the hook. Then use, see, that's the same way that I do it. That's cool. I like this. I like the instructions already. Maybe this is what you're paying for. The instructions that are actually nice. That's worth a lot in some people's, you know, in some of my comments, the instructions are very valuable. Okay. Construction, weave in ends. I weave in the ends too. This is wonderful. Special stitch instructions. Oh, see? Hello. So it's like, oh, is this, what the heck is this? And they explain it right here. The bubble stitch. So there is no guessing. Popcorn stitch, I know. Spike stitch, ooh. Yeah, don't know about the spike stitch. This is nice. I like it. And then it hits off to the projects. So obviously I'm going to be starting from 1 to 12. And I'm going to end up getting my own. Am I looking forward to using the rough yarn? No. It feels like wool. That's how rough it is. So, and I guess there should be whatchamacallits, a list of, I was going to say ingredients, a list of what it's made of. But to be honest, I don't think they don't. They don't. Maybe they do. Yeah, they don't really say. They should. What if someone's allergic to it? But anyway. So that's cool. It does come with the real needles, so this is definitely not for children. This is what you give to children after they are done. We got Grogu. We got Cara Dune. That's cool. These are so cute. Grief Karga. Moff Gideon. He always plays a bad guy. Kuiil. I've spoken. It's going to be so cute to do, you guys. IG-11? No. 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 Oh, Grogu's number 8? Oh, that's when he's not in his thingy. Okay. Just double check it. Yeah. Okay. Mudhorn. Off-world Jawa. Sorry. Bo-Katan. Yeah, Kriz. She had that fun name I like saying, but I'm really bad with names. I don't know why they gave us that blue. And Ahsoka Tano. I like to see the rest of her series if they drop it, because they make it seem interesting. Obviously, her mentor was Anakin. So. But this is the book, you guys, and about the author. Oh, she created this book. This lady. Very nice. Find Lucy on Etsy. Ooh, as Lucy, Lucy Ravenscar. Lucy lives in West Sussex, England. Okay, so she wrote this book. Taught by her grandmother. Oh, that's nice. Rusty crochet skills to create amigurumi characters. Obsession was born. So that's it, you guys. This is the kit. Can't wait to crack into it. I don't know when I'm going to crack into it, because I am intending on dropping another video of my crochet flower kit. I have to continue those flowers someday before the snow, you know. But anyway, so we're just going to close this up. But thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Uh-oh. Never close it the way that it came. Here it is. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.